Hello, my lovelies. It's Susanna, and today I want to show you how to solve this problem. Find the size of the red area. The figure consists of circles, semicircles, and quarter circles that touch each other and all have the same radius. We can see that the diameter of the semicircle here is given by 4 meters. We have a quarter circle here and a full circle here in the center, and we want to find the area of these 5 red stars. It would be enough to find the area of one of these red stars because all of them have the same size. And if we find the area of 1, we can just multiply the result by 5 and get the total red area. I'm curious how you're going to solve this problem, so please let me know in the comments. I'm going to show you a way how to do it. We can take a look at this rectangle here around our figure, because this is not just any rectangle, this is a square. Because we have a quarter circle here, semicircle, quarter circle, and the same here, quarter circle, semicircle, quarter circle, we can find the length of this side here in total. We start with the diameter, which was given by 4, and then the length of this radius of the quarter circle equals half of the diameter, so it is 2, and the same on the other side, we have a length of 2. So in total, we get a length of 8 here, and the same on this side as well. We get a length of 8 as well. So we can find the size of the area of this square. I call it a square, which is 8 times 8, so 64. How does this help us now? Well, if we have the size of this whole square here, we just have to subtract these white areas to find our red area, right? So these white areas, if we combine them, so if we take this semicircle and this semicircle, we have one full circle. If we combine this semicircle and this semicircle, we have another full circle. Then we have 4 of these quarter circles that gives us another full circle. So 3 full circles for these white areas around here. And then I would like to subtract these white areas as well, but it's not so easy to calculate these areas. But what I can do is just subtract a full circle in the middle as well, so that I subtract 4 full circles, and as a result I will get the area of these 4 red stars. So I call it a 4, not 5 in total, because we subtract this full circle here in the middle as well, but it's better than nothing that we get the size of these 4 red circles by taking the area of the square and subtracting 4 full circles, so 4 times the area of a circle. Then we will get these 4 stars. What is it then? The area of the square is given by 64. We subtract 4 times the area of a circle. The formula for this is pi times the radius squared. What is the radius of one of my circles? The diameter was given by 4, so the radius is given by 2. I insert it here and get a result for my 4 stars here. 64 minus, here I have 2 squared equals 4. So I have 4 times 4, which equals 16, and the pi here as well. So this is the size, the exact value of the size of my 4 stars. I take this to the next page. I don't want to find the size of 4 stars, I need 5 stars. But well, I can find 5 then as well. I can maybe first just calculate the area of 1 star by taking my 4 stars and dividing it by 4, right? So I get the area of 1 star. So I take this number here and divide it by 4 to find my area of 1 star. What is it? Well, I have 64 over 4, which is 16. And then I have to do 16 over 4, which is 4, and the pi here as well. This is the area of 1 red star. But I want to find in total the area of 5 red stars. So I want to find a 5, and I multiply this by 5 then. So 5 times this number here, my exact value. If I do this, I have 5 times 16, which equals 80. I subtract 5 times 4 pi, which is 20 pi. This is the exact value, and if I type this in a calculator, I get a result of 17.17 for the area of my 5 stars. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Take care!